Today we have to discuss about that how much amplitude produced by the sound. So we will take two cases over here. First of all, I will strike this pencil on this glass gently, then I will strike hardly. So what kind of a scenario we will see, then we will compare. So this is one thread. I had tied this thread with the one plastic ball like structure. Now I will place this thread near to this rim of the tumbler. Now first of all, first case, very gently I am striking this pencil on this glass. How much this displays, that we have to check. The first case, you all had seen. Now second case. So if I compare both the case, in both the case, second case, this ball displays more. So we can say that the amplitude of the second sound is more. The amplitude of the second one vibration is more compared to the first one. That is how we can check the vibration amplitude of any sound.